Ever stress about losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Meet the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for never losing track again. Imagine finding anything instantly, precisely where you left it. That's the magic of AirTag's precision finding. Utilizing ultra-wideband technology, it guides you right to your lost item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback on your iPhone. Forget those frantic searches. This is real-time pinpoint accuracy that makes finding lost items effortless and fun. Setting up your new AirTag is incredibly simple. Just one tap with your iPhone, and you're connected and ready to track. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle spills, splashes, and everyday adventures without a hitch. Whether it's luggage, a backpack, or even expensive tech, these trackers are a smart buy to protect what matters most. The seamless integration with the Apple Find My network, secure and private, truly sets the AirTag apart from generic trackers. Ready to stop losing things and start finding peace of mind? Check out the link in the description below to grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon. For anyone looking for the best electronics to keep their valuables safe in 2025, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have investment.